So I'm going to share these flyers. I'm going to share these flyers of Ebuka Obi. So give me. Let me go my microphone too. Only hospitals cure illness. No pastor can cure a sick person.
My people, unbelievable. It don't happen again. It don't bust. No be small matter. Ijele Speaks don't hold protest against this pastor. No be small something. No, he say no pastor can heal. Oh, say all this anointing oil. Say na for cooking. No be small protest. And the consti they share in banner all over. They share. They give Okada people, keke people, even flies. They share the banner. They give all of them. My people, wonder shall never end. This matter, I don't know how you want to end though. Hey, things they happen though. As I they talk to now, I they hear rumors say they don't still, hold Mathias Ezeaku, say they never still live. And my people, wonder shall never end. Ijele Speaks now, don't hold protest. No be small protest though. May you not come be say I too talk. I go live on a more for watch the full video of this Ijele Speaks where for the they hold protest against this pastors.
So I'm going to share these flyers. I'm going to share these flyers of Ebuka Obi. So give me. Let me go my microphone too. Only hospitals cure illness. No pastor can cure a sick person. If you are sick, go to the hospital. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Pastors are deceiving you. Only fire does not cure sickness. If you are sick, you go to the hospital. Only the hospital can save you. Pastor, they chop your money, or pastor, when they say healing to you, get health insurance. If they travel abroad with your children, olive oil is for cooking. Olive oil is for cooking. Olive oil is not for healing, it is for cooking. You have to that. You care for what? Okay, sir.
Can you give me that flyer?
Let I give you flyer.
Native
indeed. Only the hospital can cure you. No pastor has the power to cure anybody. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Only one is for cooking. Don't let them deceive you. Your pastors have health insurance. They cannot help you. Stop paying tithe and offering to get healed. Your pastor is using your money to go abroad and treat himself and his family. Wake up, Nigerians. Olive oil is for cooking, not for any healing. It's for cooking food. Wait, make this people pass. We'll go to the other side. Healing is found only in the hospital. Only the hospital can heal you. Your pastor is lying to you if he says he can heal anyone. Okay, they forgive me. I don't know what to do. Only the hospitals can heal you. Miracle healing is a fraud. Go to the hospital if you are sick. If you are sick, go to the hospital. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Only oil cannot cure any illness. Only the hospitals and good blood will cure you. Say no to fake pastors. Ebuka Obi, you cannot cure anyone. If no that one will make you call police, Ebuka Obi, you cannot cure anyone. Only hospitals cure people. If you are sick, you go to the hospital. Night vigil, fasting and prayer cannot cure your illness. Fast from now till next 30 years, nothing will change. Only the hospitals will cure you. Don't believe what they are telling you. Okay, hold that together. Only the hospitals can cure you. Say no to fake miracles. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Ebuka Obi is not a doctor. Well done. Can I answer? Answer that. Ebuka Obi cannot cure anyone. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Only the hospital cure these people. There is no miracle healing anywhere. There is no miracle healing anywhere. If you are sick, you go to the hospital. Stop wasting your money. If you don't get money, call your village people. Let them contribute for you. Okay, you need them. Thank you, sir. Only the hospitals can cure you. Say no to fake miracles. Have you seen a single person a pastor cure? Healing is found only in the hospitals. Healing is found only in the hospitals. Your pastor gets health insurance, so his family gets health insurance. Say no to fake miracles. RNG. Any miracle healing in RNG, my sister, God bless you. Any miracle healing in RNG only. Say no to fake pastor. Nobody had a question to the pop when I did them this thing. You know me, yeah. Okay, leave this thing. Let's let the video. You know, you're the video. Come on, no, leave me alone. Every miracle is RNG. If you are sick, go to the hospital. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Pastor does not cure any sickness. Only hospitals can cure you. Do you know a single leper in your village they made whole? Papa, I know say all this thing now. Thank you so much, my sister. Okay, well done. My sister, hold on now. Miracle healing RNG. Miracle healing RNG. No pastor cures anyone. Their family they go hospital abroad. Now poor members, they drink olive oil. Olive oil, you know, they cure any illness. If they give you cholesterol. Olive oil is for cooking. No pastor can cure any illness. Only the hospital. Go to the hospital if you are sick. No miracle healing anywhere. All RNG. No miracle healing. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Say no to fake pastors. Say no to fake healings. Hospitals are for the sick. Hospitals are for the sick. Churches are for worship. No carry person go church or say they sick. Take them to the hospital. You will not receive healing by faith. You will receive healing by treatment. Don't let them deceive you. Don't get this money. Get away. Nobody can heal any disease. Ebuka Obi, if you can do it, come and try it. We won't see. You will prove it in court. There is no miracle healing anywhere. If you are sick, go to the hospital. No miracle healing anywhere. If you are sick, go to the hospital. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Church miracle guarantee. Only boy in a for cookie, not for healing. If you are sick, go to the hospital, my fellow Nigerians. On a way to on a leader. They have to do that. But let's do that first. Thank you for that. I beg you, tell your people, any sick person should go to the hospital. Not church. My pastor gets help referral. My sister, thank you, driver. Don't carry any sick person go church, you carry and go hospital. Thank you, sir. Don't take any sick person to the church, take them to the hospital. Miracle healing guarantee. Miracle healing guarantee. Carry sick people go hospital, not church. Only when you know the cure sickness. Only when you know the cure sickness. Oh, Ebuka Obi, you cannot heal anyone. No pastor can heal any sick person. God, make we try am. No pastor, any pastor wey go heal sick person come 5 million. 5 million for any pastor wey go heal any sick person. If you are sick, go to the hospital. No healing in anywhere apart from the hospital. Treat yourself. Periodic testing, trying to save you. Only when you know the cure sickness. The only hospital they cure sickness. Only when you know the medicine, Nigerians wake up. My sister, hold on there. Get them. So you say you dey heal sickness, nobody dey heal sickness. Well done, sir. Sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Look there for you. Educate your people, please. Any sick person should go to the hospital, not any pastor. If you are sick, go to the hospital. There is no miracle healing anywhere. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Don't drink olive oil. It cannot cure your sickness. Hold on, sir. Driver. My sister. My sister. I beg you, come from wake up, Nigerians! Sick people should go to the hospital. Don't drink any olive oil. It should be criminal to keep a sick person anywhere other than the hospital. It's a criminal act. One more traffic then to it should be criminal to keep a sick person outside of the hospital in the name of healing. Only medicines can heal you, not olive oil. Life is real and fasting and prayer, not a pure sick person. No. Go to the hospital if you are sick. Go to the hospital if you are sick. Don't let them deceive you. Don't let them deceive you. Get them. Na Naija we dey, na Naija we dey. Na Naija. Show them well. Show them well. Don't be showing them when you finish. Well done. Hello, Nigerians. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Don't let anyone deceive you. Somebody by know the serious sickness, so go to the hospital. That the Sunday I cannot the cure sickness. Go to the hospital. They know the cure sickness. Go to the hospital. Ebuka Obi, you cannot cure a single person. Come out and prove it to us. No pastor can cure a sick person. You cannot cure a sick person outside of the hospital. Take your sick people to the hospital. Take your sick people to the hospital. Nothing concern miracle, concern healing. Now doctor they give healing. Only for you not be medicine. Oh. Say no to fake pastors. Don't lose your life out of ignorance. Go to the hospital if you are sick. Don't die in ignorance. Your pastor gets health insurance. Your pastor they carry your family go abroad. Don't die in ignorance. Only oil is not a medicine. Say no to fake pastors. Olive oil is for cooking. Olive oil is for cooking. My brother. Oga, good afternoon, sir. Let me hold this thing. No, help me go ahead. Oh, not bros, hold this one. Hold this one. Sorry, sir. Sorry, my brother. Wait, make I still give you something first. Oh, yeah, hold on. Healing is only in the hospital. I beg you, inform your people any sick person. Any sick person should go to the hospital. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Olive oil is not a medicine. If you are sick, go to the hospital. Pastor know the cure sickness. Go to the hospital, go lab check, not be spiritual attack. Disease not be spiritual attack. Diagnose yourself in the hospital. Alright? So my people, they arrested Mathias for telling them their pastors cannot cure anybody. Ebuka Obi, your face there for all this banner. Okay? So carry me go court. Make you prove to court. Say you dey cure people true. In this iron, how market? How market in this iron? How market in this iron? This iron bees. In this iron bee. In this iron bee. You know the year? This iron be zombies irons. Tell your guys iron to come and arrest me. Yes, I've said it. He cannot cure any sickness. Zion cannot cure any sickness. Ndi Zion be. Ona Zion no dey cure any sickness. Ona don hear am. Ndoshi. Ndi Zion be. Zion bees. Tell am make you come arrest me as he take arrest Mathias. Say he exposing fake miracle. No pastor can do any miracle. Lagos next. Next stop Lagos. Ndiara. Next stop Lagos. Potadu ke we mapu gishina. Idiot. Una think say Abuja no na lawless southeast. Tuesday no na lawless southeast. Okoko. Osu. Zion cannot cure anyone. We dey talk am, we go talk am inside house, we go talk am outside street. Dem no born am. Dem no born am. No pastor can cure any sickness. Okay? No pastor can cure any sickness. If you are sick, you go to the hospital. It's that simple. Ebuka Obi and your Zion bees. Oh yeah, say to go. He don't set. Ona no fit do anything. Not ordinary people na dey threaten. Not ordinary people na dey threaten. Try me. Oh, we go come make I send you go meet Jesus now. Ndiara. Come and meet Jesus this afternoon. Come and meet Jesus this afternoon. Okoko. This one says that you wanna move. You will move into the Atlantic Ocean very soon. You move. I don't talk am now say una pastor no fit cure any sickness. Make him carry police come. I wan see am. Ndiara. Not that people they deceive. Ebuka Obi, I even near court. Make you no waste time. Make I dey sleep for Federal High Court. Make I sleep for Federal High Court. They wait for you. Go watch now. Go do damage control. If you come carry 50 or 20 people, miserable people for in church, come share them money. So that one go come cover all the shame where we don't shame am this week. Ndoshi. Umuiti. Make Obi come arrest me now. Let him come and arrest me. I don't know no nkete. Ebonu Ojonu Brigade. Zion Bees. Ozu. Ribe. Oh, he don't know Zion. What will you do? Zabu onwe gi there. Akpa amu zachakwa unu there. Zachakwa na akpa amu na Zion unu a. Ndị ara. Ozu. Mgbada. Where you Ebuka Obi making call? No be this Abuja. No be this Abuja. No be this Abuja, they born you. Man, I see how clean deep. Now show all of our state supposed to be. Well, I know they see anything good about Nigeria. Don't down about the tune issue. Watch it. If they sick, then go hospital. Your person they sick, they don't go tell you say na cancer. They go tell you no here mereme. Go to the hospital. Not be sure they take Payiken na my cousin. Somebody say we should give the glory to the Nigerian police for doing the job since Jesus failed to arrest Mathias, police igwe, because na Jesus suppose do the work now. Na police your pastor come dey call. Pastor wey get anointing dey use police arrest person. Pastor wey get anointing dey use police dey arrest person. How possible? Shey him anointing dey sleep ni? Ebuka Obi cannot cure anybody. Let him come and arrest me. Turn down agbawa ishi. No pastor can cure any sickness. It's that simple. Which police station make we dey go straight? We will keep saying it. There is no healing power in your olive oil. There is no healing power in your olive oil. We are soldiers of the cross. Makandina yara. We are soldiers. Makandina yara. When I fear zam. Amarango nudewe nana. See another. Amarango nudewe nana. Debunking. Ebuka Obi cannot cure anybody. Miracle healing is fake. Ebuka Obi cannot cure anybody. No miracle healing anywhere. Ndoshi. Ebuka Obi cannot cure anybody. Onye sochie ụzọ amadi isi ọbụrụ jebia na Federal High Court we dey so. We dey wait for na. Dupe him. Ndara. Pụta nunu nke ihe unu na-agbara mba na social media. Bịa ka mmara gị isi dewe gị n'ala. Ụmụ ụsụ. Sorry o. Ụmụ eteri. See am Federal High Court. Headquarters. Police igwe. The police be their power.
My people, shey una don see am with una eye. No be small something. I don't know how this matter won't stop. Hey, now the dragon can't continue everywhere. Now this pastor, now he that they call now the dragon. He can't be like say he can't read though. All platform. Hey, things they happen to my people. Even Ezeaku, even Babalawo. Now this pastor live now that they call. Hey, wonder shall never end. The one where can shock me be say Ijele Speaks do banner. He can't do flyer. Can't they share them all over? They share and they give people when they pass. So even keke people, even flyer, even lizard, they share and they give them. They talk say all this anointing oil say na for cooking. No, say no pastor for that obodo Naija go fit his sickness. So if una dey sick, make una go hospital. My people, wonder shall never end. This matter so e dey ready, dey tie Ijele. Information just dey reach where they come dey hear the rumor say they don still hold Mathias Ezeaku. No be small something, my people. I don't know where this matter dey go. E don set, everywhere don burst. May you no come be say I too talk. I won't leave una for here. And wait una go help me do, my people. I beg, make una share this video so that e go reach another people hand, so that they go use the eye to see wetin dey happen for obodo Naija. Say e don set, everywhere don scatter. Say some of our people not believe again. They not they hear again. Oh, they say now all these some of pastors say that they collect money for their hand. Say they know if he heal blind people or cripple people. Say all this thing when we they see for national TV. Say na RNG.